Hello, welcome to Aetina booth at Computex 2025. I'm Sean, Product Manager at Aetina. I'm excited to introduce our latest innovation in MegaEdge series AIP-FR68S, built to handle demanding AI workloads. And this slim chassis is able to accommodate one NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPUs, fully optimized for Blackwell architecture and giving you the horsepower for ultra-high resolution rendering, 3D content creation, simulation, deep learning, and other compute-intensive tasks. And with integrated PCIe Gen5 for lightning-fast data throughput, and support up to 1600 watt system power, and all cooled by a high-efficiency thermal system designed to perform under pressure, and plus with a built-in power adapter. Setup is simple and your workspace stays clean. But less more, our system also supports up to 3 Qualcomm AI 100 Ultra acceleration cards to consolidate on-premises generative AI workload at scales. Got question? We have got answer. Reach out now.